You guys, Angel here. Normally I would say so excited about this video, but I'm not that excited to share the message in this video. You guys, my Instagram account was hacked over the weekend. I've been getting so many messages from you guys, so many emails from you guys asking me, Angel, are you okay? Did somebody steal you? I am alive and well. We're just trying to get my Instagram account back. And so until we can get that Instagram account back, if I can get it back, I don't know if I'm going to be able to. And if I'm not able to, I don't know if I'm going to use that app again, knowing that that can happen again. So we're working really hard on the back end to get that Instagram account back in my possession. But until then, you guys, I have opened up my old Facebook group. Okay, so for my people that have been connected to me for any amount of time, y'all know how we used to get down inside of the Facebook group. So for those of you guys who want to stay connected to me, I miss you guys. Like, can I just tell you guys, I freaking miss you guys. For my people who are my morning crew, where's my morning crew? If you are part of my morning crew, if you guys wake up with me in the morning and have tea with me or have coffee with me, I miss you guys so much. So I opened up my old Facebook group. So if you click the link down in the description box under this video, click that link, you'll go over to Facebook and you'll answer the 3 questions that are over there on the Facebook, and then we can get back connected until hopefully something happens over here on Instagram. But other than that, you guys, I miss you guys too. I cannot wait to get back in your business and get all up in your face in the morning, hopefully back over there on Instagram. But until then, you guys, I miss you too. I'm alive and I am well. I'll see you guys inside my Facebook.